Hi there, my name's Carrie Griffiths, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start belting without straining your voice, without getting those cracks and breaks that many of us get when we're just starting to learn how to belt. So if that sounds like something that would help you, keep watching, and if you like the video, of course remember to like and subscribe, share with any other singers that you think might benefit from this video, and also drop me a comment and let me know what else you would like me to show you and I'll make a video for you. Now, the thing about belting is that a lot of people mistake belting for pulling your chest voice up into the higher notes, and that's not the case. We actually have a mix of chest voice and head voice in the belt, and if you're not sure what those are, then go ahead and look at my watch my video that's going to pop up somewhere around here where I explain the difference between the different vocal registers. Okay, so let's dive straight into it. Now, the thing about singing is that it should be no more effort than speaking. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I say this a lot. Now, in belting, especially if you've been someone who has tried to belt and has tried to drag up your chest voice, so that heavy sounding, that heavy feeling chest voice down here, and tried to bring it up into the higher notes, you'll know that you'll get to a point where your voice just can't get there anymore. And that's due to some technical stuff that's going on inside your body. And included in that stuff that's going on inside your body is lots of tension is being created around your throat and in your neck and in all of those muscles around there and in your shoulders. And also it tends to knock your confidence, and so you have a little bit of kind of nervousness and maybe a bit of anxiety as you're trying to reach those notes, or as you're just before you're getting up to those notes, and so it creates a whole lot of tension, and then you're just in a big old mess. And that's something that I used to do years ago before I learned how to do it properly. And of course, over the years, I've been singing for more than 20 years. I've been coaching singers, helping singers with their voices for 18 years now. And so this is something that I've helped lots and hundreds of people with. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make that na 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 sound. You know when you're a kid and you in the playground, you go na 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 na. It's that kind of sound. Now, what most of us do when we're first starting singing and we're first starting to belt is we create lots of like a very, very heavy tone, a heavy sound and a heavy feeling in our chest, and we try to bring that up. So we want to make sure that the sound is being made up here. So it's na, na. So the difference between na down here or down here and na, it's all up here. Na. So even when I'm singing those lower notes, nah, it's still up here, and nasally there's a little bit of a buzz there. So let's sing there. And na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And it's this kind of area where it gets tricky, where you start to feel that that strain and that crack in your voice. So you're making sure that you're not relying on your throat creating the sound, but the air and the sounds coming up and forwards and being created around here, and you should feel it. So let's do that one again. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And there's no need to push or force the sound, because the way that your body works is that it's going to project the sound and make it louder naturally. So you don't need to force that. I'm putting no extra effort in as I go up. So let's go from here again. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And if you're struggling, you can really use that n sound. So let's do that again. Na 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 na. Now I've actually got quite a bit of head voice in there, but because the way that the two registers are blending, it sounds round and belty. So let's do one more. Na 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 na. And back down. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Now something that you can do to create more of a round, fuller tone as you get used to that feeling is to add a kind of oh sound in there. So you could use more, more. So let's try that. Let's start a bit lower. More, 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 more. More, 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 more. More, 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 more. And so as you play around with the sounds, but making sure that there's no strain on your throat, that it's all up here. Once it's up here, then you can add that rounder, fuller sound. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Click like, subscribe, send to a friend, and of course, add a comment, drop a comment, let me know what else you would like me to share with you, and I will make you a video. Take care, stay hydrated. Ciao!